Hi, I'm sitting in front of your Christmas and birthday shopping list. Really, I am. Purely electronics, and I'm sure you're wondering, Caroline, isn't what you do with Twiva, you highlight an MSME of a week that is making a difference? Yes. Now, first and foremost, still loving my set? This is Staraab Lounges, including the display case behind me and this amazing table that all my goodies are on. Now, let's go back to Christmas. Okay, so there's a unique story about this particular electronics store. This MSME is first and foremost run by her. She is Betty, and she prides herself in not only having what exactly you want, but making sure that these are not gray goods. These are the originals. And when I say the originals, I mean the MacBook Air. This is a 13.6. It's a little bigger than mine, but that's fine. Christmas gifts are always welcome. Thank you very much. iWatch, talk to IT. Also, this is an iPad. I was looking at it. Betty, this is an 8th generation iPad. I don't think I bought one in like 4 years. Does this one make you breakfast as well? Probably does. Buy it from IT and find out. Obviously, for those of you who love Apple content, here is an Apple TV device. And I always find this is a great way if you've got teenagers in your life to get them. Headphones and speakers. And I think we've come so far in the world of music. We live in a world where all we need is something that size, your phone, your Spotify account, or maybe your playlist on YouTube. You say, can I hook up to your Bluetooth? And we've got a party going. So let me put it this way. This Christmas, if it's electronics you want, and by the way, electronics make great gifts, you need to speak to IT. And I want to be very biased here. The space Betty is in is completely male dominated. And here she is doing a great job and providing quality products. So that's my bias. She's not only female, she is youth. Incidentally, I thought I'd remind you that when you buy the laptop, you know where to get your laptop sleeve, don't you? You don't? You don't remember me mentioning? I'm hurt. I'm putting the link here. And if you're wondering when you're going to be mentioned, here's my Christmas present to you. The sooner you log on to Twiva on this link, the better. But I'll say Merry Christmas now. Sasa, takujuaje if you do not post. And by the way, don't DM me directly. It doesn't work like that. Sifanyangi yo kazi. That's why Twiva is here.